For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The GE2 Slice stainless steel toaster is one of those countertop essentials that makes breakfast feel easier and more consistent. What I really like about it is how reliable it is with different types of bread. I've used it for regular sandwich slices, bagels, and even frozen waffles, and the results have stayed pretty even every time. The 7 adjustable shade settings are one of the most useful features. Everyone in my family has different preferences. I usually set mine around level 4 for waffles because it leaves them crisp on the outside but still soft inside. My dad prefers darker toast, and level 6 gives him exactly what he likes. That flexibility is why adjustable shade control is considered important in most expert toaster reviews, and this one delivers on that standard. The extra-wide slots measure 1.38 inches by 5.50 inches, which makes a big difference if you enjoy artisan bread or thick bagels. I used to have a toaster where I had to cut down slices just to make them fit, but with this GE model, everything slides in comfortably. Consumer Reports and other appliance testers often highlight slot width as a key factor, and this model definitely meets that need. With its 2-slice capacity and 850 watts of power, it's quick enough for everyday use without being an energy drain. I tested 2 slices of sandwich bread side by side, and both came out evenly browned, which shows the heating element is well balanced. That kind of consistency is something GE has been known for in their appliances. They've been in the home appliance industry for over 100 years, and reliability is part of their reputation. The removable crumb tray is another practical feature. After just a week of daily use, I pulled it out and was surprised how many crumbs it caught. Cleaning it takes seconds, and keeping the toaster free of crumbs not only avoids burnt smells, but also matches the maintenance advice you'll find in most kitchen safety guides. The illuminated buttons with LED lights make it easy to see which setting you're using, especially in the early mornings. I found this handy when I'm half awake making toast before work. It saves me from accidentally choosing the wrong shade. With its stainless steel exterior, it looks modern and feels durable enough for long-term use. For me, the combination of consistent results, easy cleaning, and a trusted brand name is what makes this toaster stand out as a dependable kitchen tool.